This is the exact reason homeowners get their insurance claims denied every spring. And if you miss this, it could cost you thousands. Most people think spring is safe. But what they don't realize is winter already damaged their home. This is exactly when spring just reveals it. We've helped hundreds of homeowners get more from their claims. And today I'll show you exactly what to look for before it's too late. Snow and ice weaken your roof. Then spring rain hits, and suddenly you've got leaks. Here's the problem. If you don't report it quickly, insurance may say it's old damage and deny your claim. Quick question, when was the last time you checked your roof? Comment roof if it's been a while. Spring rain plus melting snow builds pressure around your home, and that water finds a way in. And here's what most homeowners don't know. Standard insurance often doesn't cover flooding. Be honest, do you know your policy covers flooding? Comment yes or no below. As the ground freezes and thaws, your home shifts. Small cracks today can become major structural damage tomorrow. If you've seen cracks in your home, type crack below. Here's what you should do today. Check your roof, inspect your basement, look for cracks, and take photos of everything. Documentation equals a stronger claim. If you think you have damage, don't go through insurance alone. We help homeowners get the max payout, not the minimum. Comment help, and we'll review your situation for free.